Hey everyone, it's Lissette here and welcome back to another video on my channel. If you're new here, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you'll be notified on when I upload. So for this video, I was so excited when I got this package. MAKARTT had just came out with their new reloaded collection. I've had this, I want to say, for about 2 weeks now, and I was super bummed that I couldn't just start using it right away and show you guys. So finally they just launched it today. So we have True Queen, hashtag Girl Boss, and then Reloaded. True Queen and hashtag Girl Boss are both 6 color gel polish sets, and then the Reloaded is an all-in-one gel polish starter kit. So first off, can I just say how cute the packaging is? I was like super inspired with just the packaging let alone, but we're gonna get right into it and open each one up. So this first one, the True Queen, of course, is the 6 colors gels, and each of these colors has a really cute name that's associated with a true queen. And of course I am going to open each one and show you what they look like. So first off, we got Power Play, Gold Finger, Upper Class, Get Real, Bullet, and this one had a little bit of spillage around it. I'm not sure what's up with that one. And then last is Success. So these are all the colors for the True Queen gel polish set, and it is going for $20.99 on MAKARTT. The next one I'm going to be opening is the hashtag Girl Boss, and once again this is the 6 color gel polish set, and as well this is also going for $20.99. And for this, the colors are Private Jet, Manifest, Billionaire, Girl Boss, Slay, and then the last one is Action. Once again, these are the colors for hashtag Girl Boss, and I feel like the names match perfectly for this set. Next, we have the all-in-one gel polish starter kit, which is called Reloaded, and y'all, the packaging is so freaking cute. I cannot. So first off, I was so happy when I seen this mini nail lamp. I thought it was so cute and clever. And then they also give you this hand file. This is actually really thick. Of course, it comes with the cord for the lamp. They give you 10 little wipes to cleanse the nails, and then once again this polish actually spilled, but these two are actually the same ones that came in the other kit. So this one is the Bullet and the Manifest, and then the other two, which was I thought was a black and a white, is actually base coat and top coat. So the base coat is called Basic Babe, and then the top coat is called Come Out on Top, which I thought that was so fun and clever. Like the names, like I love cute little names like that. But like I said, I'm just showing you like both of these are the same colors that was in the other kits. So like I said, this is a starter kit, so I guess they just repeated those 2 colors. And this starter kit is going for $26.99. So I wanted to show you this little light. So I did end up taking out the cord, and when I seen how short it was, I was kind of a little bit bummed how short the cord was. So I do end up having to go ahead and use a longer cord, my own personal cord, just so I could kind of get it in the corner of the camera just to show you what it looks like. But I was so excited to get this little light. So for this set, I did end up taking off my nails, and I decided I wanted to do some press-ons. So that's what we're going to do. So for my left hand, I'm going to go in and use the True Queen set. So for the pinky as well as the thumbnail, I'm going to do a full coverage nail of the Get Real color. And I do end up going in and using 2 coats, and I cure them both for a full 60 seconds. For the middle nail, I ended up going in with the color Upper Class, and this color is so pretty. I was like in love with it. So once again, I do this in 2 coats as well. So I decided to take out the color Gold's Finger, and this one is so pretty. It's like a pretty glitter pink color or mauve color. So I took a very long striping brush, a detail brush, and I decided to draw a thin line down the center of that pinky nail, and I thought this one came out so good. Like, I was so happy with it. I usually struggle with any kind of like nail art or designs in total, but this little line came out really easy. So for my ring nail, I'm going in once again with a full coverage nail, and this one I'm using the color in Power Play, and this green, y'all, it went on so smooth. It's such a pretty color. Look at how nice that looks. Once again, I cured it, I did a second layer, and then I went back in with the pinky nail to do another layer of that glitter because I really wanted that glitter to show through. Coming back to the middle nail, I'm going to use the base coat, which is called Basic Babe from the starter kit, and I'm adding a layer of that to the nail. I don't cure it. What I do end up going to do is I started to use the color Power Play, and I ended up using a really small detail brush. So in my head, I imagined this to be totally different than what it came out with, what it ended up coming out as. I was happy with it. Did I want it to look like this? No, but I was happy with it. I thought it did still come out cute. Like I said, in my head, I thought it was gonna look a little bit different. But anyway, I ended up taking that Power Play and then trying to draw a rose. I thought the base coat was going to make it look a little different. So yeah, I kind of was trying to get some inspiration from the packaging itself. It has like these really pretty flowers on it. Doesn't look like it on my nail, but I tried. So you're gonna see me trying to play with it a little bit. I did go in with the Power Play, and then I tried to go in with some Get Real, which is the color that is the same on my pinky nail as well as the thumb, trying to add a little bit more of those flowers. And as you could tell, the base layer kind of just made it smudgy. It just, yeah, like I said, it wasn't turning out how I wanted it to look, but I was still happy with it. I did go ahead and cure it for at least 30 seconds, and then I went in with that Gold Finger, which is that glitter, and started adding a little bit to the top and just kind of like placing it in random places just to give it a little bit of accent color. Coming back to the thumbnail, I decided to do the same design that I did for the pinky nail, just doing a straight line down the middle of the nail with that Gold Finger color. I really didn't know what I was going to do with the index finger, so I decided to just do a full coverage nail of that glitter color. I thought this color was so pretty, and I thought it just ended up coming out really perfect in the end. It really tied in all of the nails together, and of course I did go ahead, cure it, and do a second layer because I really wanted a good amount of that glitter on the nail. Lastly, I ended up going back to the green nail because I just felt like it needed a little something. So I ended up adding that glitter to that cuticle section only, just framing it. And I thought this one actually came out really cute as well. And when I was satisfied with the placement, I did flash cure this in place. Final step, I ended up coming in with the color Come Out on Top, and this is their top coat. Like I said, I was like in love with their little names for everything. But after I apply this, I cure this for a full 60 seconds. And this is what they look like. I was so happy with how they came out. I think they came out so cute. I just love it. I did end up not using the colors Bullet and Success for this design, but I did use the other four, which was that Power Play, Gold Finger, Upper Class, and Get Real. On to the next set, and I'm going to use the #Girl Boss colors. Once again, this is actually going to be on my right hand, so I am coming in with the color Billionaire, and this is going to be for my ring finger, and I do 2 layers. I am going to use the color Manifest, Slay, and Action, and I'm going to do it's almost like a Burberry design, but I don't end up using no black, so I do end up going in with my detail brush, and I kind of did a cross to one side, and I do cure it in between because like my hands was like so shaky doing this. But a long detail brush actually helps a lot when you're trying to do straight lines, so it wasn't too bad. But like I said, I do end up curing this in between before adding the next line. And I did want to stay true to this set, so that's why I didn't go ahead and just pick up a black and do my outline with the black. I ended up just going straight in with the color Action, substituting the black, and then yeah, I just think it really came out really good with these colors. Moving on to the middle nail, I'm going to use once again the color Billionaire. I was like so in love with this color. It has like little glittery flakes inside it, really pretty. I only do one layer and then I go in with the pinky in the color Action, and I do end up going in with 2 layers for this color. For the middle nail, I'm going to go in with the color Manifest, coming back in with that detail brush, and I'm going to do a high French. I guess I'm like cutting out a smile line, technically. But with this, I end up just outlining that curve, and I do end up measuring it with my nail because I wanted to go to a certain length. But then I just go ahead and cover that full bottom half with this color, and then I cure it for a full 60 seconds. From there, I ended up going in with the color Action, and I outlined the smile line, and I outlined the entire bottom portion of the nail, and I think this nail came out really cool. For the last 2 remaining nails, which is the pointer nail as well as the thumbnail, I ended up going in and doing a full coverage nail on both of them with the color Action, and once again I did 2 coats for this. Coming back to the pointer nail, I decided to take the color Manifest and do diagonal lines going all the way straight up to one side. I just thought this kind of fit in and tied in with that plaid nail. And as I went up, the lines did get slightly smaller because I did want it to curve and just fit the nail properly. For the pinky nail as well as the thumbnail, I honestly had no clue what I wanted to do with these nails. And I did go back and see that I did have a glitter, which is that private jet in this set. So I ended up going in and adding that to the cuticle section, and it kind of just resembled the other design that I did with the True Queen collection. So I thought that was interesting that I kind of just gravitated towards that design again. But I ended up doing that to the pinky nail as well as the thumbnail. Last step, I'm going to be applying coming out on top, which is top coat, and I will be curing it for a full 60 seconds. And this is what hashtag girl boss looks like. I am so happy with how this set came out. I think they came out really cute. For this set, I used Slay, Action, Billionaire, Manifest, and Private Jet. The only color I didn't use was Girl Boss. But like I said, I was really happy with how this came out, and I am so excited to be putting on some press-ons. So for the colors itself, I was super happy and impressed with how pigmented all of the colors were. I think the colors are amazing, and I think these kits are great for even beginners, especially that all-in-one starter kit. It's an amazing kit with a really good light on it. Let me know what you guys think of this set, and if you are interested, I do get a percentage off of MAKARTT. If you use Lissette's gel nails at checkout, you will get a 15% discount. And of course, I am going to leave all of the information down below for everyone. As always, thank you everyone for taking time out to watch this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please make sure you guys are following me on all of my social media accounts, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next one.